Hi everyone, Crystal back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a video response for Janai, Happy Mail Obsessed. She is doing a 5-year giveaway. Congratulations, Janai, for reaching 5 years. And so she's doing a giveaway where you have to send in 5 things. And so I wanted to share with you guys what I will be sending off to her. First thing, I made this little caddy or carrier for these little Frappuccino cups. And I followed Tony's tutorial. Tony is Craft Purge on YouTube. And so she did a tutorial on how to make one of these. So I followed her tutorial. I will link it down below for you guys. But in one container, I included some sequins. And then I like to top mine with these little these little pom-poms. So that's what I did for that one. And then I added my little dangles to the side there. And then here I added some of these beads that I got from, I think it was Michael's in the Creatology section. So I shared some of those with her and did the different colored pom-poms on that one. And here are the dangle bits there for that cup. And then here's this one, has a bunch of neon beads. And so there's the dangles for that one. And then I did pink little pom-poms. Then this one, I have stars in this set or in this cup. And then here are little dangles for that one. So yeah, this was a fun project to do. Super easy. Thanks, Tony, for your tutorial. That's kind of how I decorated mine. I did not do the back, but I did add this bow. So that is the first thing. The second thing is this little bag from In Love Art Shop. And then I added a shaker butterfly. And I left her a little bit blank. I didn't know if she wants to, if she wanted to use it like this, or she can further embellish it if she wants. But then there's some dangle bits there. And so there's that. I think I can fit one more, so I'm going to try to make one more. I'm not sure yet. And then this project here, and this is one of those three-tier stands. I think it has 3 tiers. I can't remember. But it looks like this. And this is following Bambi's tutorial. Not Bambi. Amber's tutorial. And she's Bambi Deer on YouTube. So I will link this tutorial for you guys down below. Here's how I decorated the front. So you just take the lid off like that. And let me put the lid back on really quick. So it opens like this with Velcro. And it kind of just, once you take the lid off, then it opens like this. Oh, it's four tiers. See, I don't even know. It's been a while since I made this. So in the first tier are these felt flowers that I included in different colors. And then the second tier has some of these bows that I cut out for her. I love this bow die. I wanted to play with this bow die because I haven't. So I love how these turned out. And I just used a bunch of different pieces from Garden Party. So I love that. Layer there. And then this bottom or third layer has a bunch of these words in them. You say bloom, flourish, grow, shine. They're already stitched and ready to go for her. The back I layered on adhesive foam. So all she has to do is peel this back and it's ready to go. So I should mention that to her so she knows that it already has a sticky back. So those are ready to go. She can use those in her projects. And then I altered 3 is all I could fit in here. But I altered 3 rosettes using different ephemera pieces from the collection. So there's this one. And then there's this one here. And then that one there. So that is that. And then closes back up like so. Close that up. Close this up. So that was super fun. So that, and then I made her this box here, and it is using, I think this is a KS Craft die, I'm not sure, but it's a shaker die, and it's so cute, you guys. I love it. I love how it turned out. I have yet to fill one of these, but it's so cute. It's like a heart box. It looks like that. And I just layered it with a bunch of different pieces or ephemera pieces from the collection. Houses, flower, the word shine, and this little bunny. And peeking back there is a, I don't know what that is, a butterfly. And so it looks like that. I did fill this one here. And this one is filled with some Hershey Kisses chocolate. And then this one I think I'm going to add something to, but I'm not sure. I think I know what I'm going to do. So yeah, I'll probably fill it with that. And so just make sure you guys go check her video out when she unboxes this. All right, guys, I hope you like what I created, Janai. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.